The planned French invasion of Britain, 1708, also known as the Entreprise de Causse, took place during the War of the Spanish Succession. The French planned to land 5,000–6,000 soldiers in northeast Scotland to support a rising by local Jacobites that would restore James Francis Edward Stuart to the throne of Great Britain. Despite French commander Claude de Forbin warning the chances of evading the Royal Navy long enough to land his troops were extremely limited, his fleet of small privateers reached Scotland in March 1708. As he had forecast, he was unable to disembark the troops and returned home, narrowly escaping a pursuing British naval force. Such attempts reflected a fundamental and continuing divergence of objectives. While the Stuarts wanted to regain their throne, for the French, they were a simple and low-cost way to absorb British resources. Much of the Royal Navy was occupied chasing de Forbin, while troops were diverted from Ireland and southern England. This made it successful for France, but a failure for the Jacobites. Under the 1697 Treaty of Ryswick, Louis XIV recognized William III as legitimate monarch of England and Scotland. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.